Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to model this part with FreeCAD 1.0. Let's get started. Pick empty file from this start screen. Make sure you are in Part Design workbench. Firstly, we need a sketch to start the 3D modeling process. Sketch is the base for 3D features such as extrude or pad, revolve, loft, and sweep, etc. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XY plane. Click on Centered Rectangle command from this drop-down list and start sketching at the origin. Type 100 and press enter. Type 50 and press enter. Right-click to exit the command. Close the window. Click on Pad command. Type 8 mm for the length and click on Symmetric to Plane option. This will make center of the model at the origin. It's a good practice to model at the origin all the time. It will save time if you have to add more features later, such as mirror command. Click OK. Click on this face and pick Sketch command. Click on Create Circle command and start at the origin. Type 30 for the diameter and press enter. Close the window. And click on Pocket command. Pick Through All type from this drop-down. Click OK. Pick this face again to add one more circle. Draw the circle at the origin. Type 35 mm for the diameter. Close the window and click on Pocket command. Type 6 mm for the length and press enter. Now I'm going to add 4 threaded holes at the corners. Pick this face again. Click on Sketch command. Click on Circle command and draw a circle here. Type 3 for the diameter. This size doesn't matter because we will use the hole command to add the threaded holes. Draw 3 more circles like this. Now we will add some dimensions and constraints, so this sketch will be fully constrained. Click on this tool to copy external reference lines from the existing solids. Click on these edges so we can use these lines to add dimensions. Right-click to exit and click on Dimension command. Add the following dimensions. Now I will add constraints. Click on Equal Constraint tool to make all the circles as same dimensions. Click on 2 circles at a time so it will copy from another. Now add horizontal constraints. and vertical constraints. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window and click on For Command. Make these changes to these parameters. Check the model. Click OK. Pick this face and click on Sketch command. Click on this command again and copy this edge. Click on Create Slot command and click here and type 15 and press Enter. Click one more time and drag the mouse to add the radius. Type 5 and press Enter. Close the window. Click on Pocket command. Select Through All Type and click OK. Check the model. Now I am going to mirror this slot to the other side. Click on Pocket and click on this command to mirror the slot. If you don't see the mirrored slot, click on this drop-down list and pick XZ plane. I'm sorry, it should be YZ plane. Click OK. Now let's make the four corners round. Click on Fillet command. Pick these edges. And type 5 for the radius. Let's add chamfers to these slot edges. Click on Chamfer command and pick these edges. Type 3 and press Enter. Check the model. The model is now completed. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe so you won't miss my videos in the future. See you soon.